Okay, missing ring cap. Yeah, so this one I met lots. So just because, sometime when we install and some guy didn't screw there, just use a tape, they just use tape and tape the ring cap to the pipe. Yeah, so sometimes just the wind is too strong and just blow out. So like this one, you should make notes and let the owner to call the special guy, professional guy to install a new one. Yeah, so the chimney. So this one, especially the old furnace. Especially the old house. Yeah, so we can see something around the roof. So like this one, so only one brick is like this. Sometimes it's lost brick, and the mortar is just disappeared and it looks almost fall down. Yeah, so like that is not good. And inside the building, so in fact the bottom of this chimney, there should be a door opening. So we can just open the door and use a mirror to see inside. So most time we can use a mirror to see until we can see the the light from the roof. So if you cannot see the light, so you should check if this chimney is not go straight up. So if it goes straight up, so we must be needed to see the light, otherwise maybe the clamps inside of the chimney. Yeah, so if it's a clamps inside, so that means the carbon monoxide maybe will go inside the house. Here, this disconnected vent line. This is a B vent. So normally, if it's when the install is tied together is very good. So normally they cannot disconnect like this. I don't know why is disconnect like this, but sometimes happens. Yeah, if like this, so for sure. So we need a repair as soon as possible. So under this picture, so like we said before, so we normally use aluminum now. Is just because the sheet metal one is easy to rust. Yeah, so this one looks not good. It's rust through already. Yeah, so this one must be need change a new one. Okay, this one, so missing clean out cap. So in fact, sometimes is missing. Sometimes, is when they install the high efficiency furnace, so they forget to cap. Yeah, so we don't want the chimney. There's an opening to the mechanic room. Yeah, so this like normally is kept there. So just for example, sometime like 1 year, 2 years, or some years, so we need to take the cap out and to check if it's lots of rust there, or when we check the chimney. So for example, so after we install the high efficiency furnace, so maybe we need a chimney liner install through the B vent. Yeah, so we can check from here, and the inspector maybe we go there check from here, and sometimes we need a Y, and just it's easy to do the inspection for the liner or chimney. Yeah, so like this one, they should have cover there. Okay, yeah, so looks is rust heavy here, and the ring cap rust through. So this looks not good here. I don't know. So normally it's cannot rust through like this. Yeah, but this one happens. So and sometimes it's just they use a screw on the top. Maybe the rust through the screw. So you can see here they just use a silicone or something like that and seal the screw and just keep the screw not rust. Oh, so this one cracked vent. So this is not normal. Yeah, so because like the metal pipe, normally they cannot have a crack like this. Yeah, so I don't know if it's a manufacturer defect or not. Yeah, but this one is really there. Yeah, so we should change a new pipe. Clearance to combustibles. Yeah, so this one, so sometimes mostly is for the garage heater. Yeah, so we needed the nibbles, so just to protect the wall and the the exhaust pipe. But this one is looks they didn't use anything to protect. Yeah, just cut a hole, and even there's no insulation. You see, yeah, they just cut a hole and maybe just the exact size of the pipe, and just put the pipe inside. So this is not allowed. And in Saskatchewan, so we have another code. This is looks B vent. So in Saskatchewan, we don't allow the B vent go outside from the side of the wall. So B vent can use on the roof, go through the roof, it's okay. Yeah, but if it goes through the side of the wall, you need to use the stainless steel. Damaged vent line. Yeah, so this one looks is aluminum. So it's easy to damage if you move some stuff there. Yeah, so like this, so we need a repair. Just change these parts is okay. Improper venting materials. So this guy is very interesting. So the I think it's still the garage heater. The garage heater exhaust come out. They use the rim pipe, so connect like this. So now there's two troubles. One is material is not allowed. Another thing you see, we don't allow the elbow down for the venting. Yeah, so this will make a pressure here. So it's hard to push out and then cause trouble inside. Yeah, so this we should know. And another thing you see, this looks like a window. I don't know what's a building window, or maybe it's just a storage room. So maybe storage room is still okay, but if it's the main building, it's not allowed. Per termination seals. Yeah, so doesn't matter is B vent or the PVC pipe vent. Yeah, so you see we all need the insulation. Yeah, so most time we just use the gap seal. Yeah, the gap seal and the seal like inside here and make sure there's no cold air coming in. And some guy use a silicone. So we don't recommend the silicone. Yeah, so even the small gap, you use the silicone is not keep the cold outside, Yeah, like here, so lots of guys use silicone. So silicone looks better. Yeah, so but it cannot keep the warm inside, Yeah, if for example we met the trouble like this, and just below here is the washroom water pipe. So if you do like this, and in Saskatchewan it's -30, -40, so it will freeze the pipe inside. This one, I think just because we said the terminal, the pipe, we need the slope. Yeah, is a 1/4 inch per foot slope back to the furnace. That means all the condensate water in the pipe should be drained back to the furnace. Yeah, so this one I think maybe the connection here or somewhere, so it's not sealed good, and then the water just drip from there and cause a big trouble inside the wall here. Yeah, so it damage everything here. You see. Yeah. So this terminal, that's we said is better than only the pipe come out. Yeah, so it's save the space. Yeah, so but still same. So this one normally after finished, we will glue to the pipe. Yeah. So if the glue is not good, still not good, the water, the condensed water, will run out from the the connection there, and that's caused the water drain out and run out through the wall and flows here. Yeah. So this is easy. Just take out and glue again, so should be okay. So and then all the condensed water will run back to the furnace. Okay, this one, I don't know what's the material like this. So it looks like the car exhaust. Yeah. So this is not allowed to. So and you can use this pipe and just so just run a little longer. Yeah, but maybe you need, if too long, maybe you need insulation. Yeah. So but don't allow to do like this. This pipe is a rust through. Yeah. So there's must be the moisture around here. Yeah, and it cause the rust heavily. Yeah. So if we met a thing like this, we better check above the pipe here, so to see if there's a stain of the water. Yeah. So sometimes, so you see it's in garage, maybe it's just condensed water. Yeah, cause the trouble. Yeah, but sometimes maybe the water just above and drip down here. Okay. So this one, so they use the screw is not a stainless steel. So for the roof, the ring cap, so if we need a fix on the pipe, so normally we need to use the stainless steel screw, not the regular screw. Regular screw is easy to rust. Yeah. So this may be, so they put the nails here and some it's caused the rust.
The hubcaps as well, the GMC vehicle hubcaps, not the proper vent.
Oh, okay. Right. Oh, that's a GMC. Yeah. Yeah. So we should use the code required ring cap. Yeah. So not the, I don't know what's this for. So but it looks not a ring cap. Okay. So this one. So that's we should see all the information from the menu gas code. That's like the picture we saw before. Is a house. The outside there's a vent, where can vent out, where not. Yeah. So this one just because this corner is pretty close to the corner. Normally we need 3 feet from the corner. Yeah. So this one is too close to the corner. That means if exhaust maybe just come here, and it's harder to disappear in the air. Yeah. So maybe it's just blow out from here and drop down and suction in from the the intake. Yeah. So normally, so don't put the vent pretty close to the corner. Doesn't the corner is like this or like this? Yeah, even like here. So we don't want. So like the corner of the four corner of the house. Yeah, we don't want too close to the corner. Yeah, because for example, if there is a wind, yeah, so it's strong wind can affect the venting, the gas vent. Yeah, so this one, so if you see, so you will see, oh, it's too close corner. Yeah, like this one is normal. Improper vent. Oh, so this one. So this one, so we have to be careful about which one gas appliance the vent should be upper, which one should be lower. Yeah. So for the code requirement is a bigger BTU, the bigger pipe should be lower. For example, you have two, like a water heater furnace. We can see the pipe size. The furnace BTU must be more bigger than the water heater. So then we should put the water heater pipe upper, just exchange. Okay, if you have three, for example, you have three gas appliances, just a smaller BTU, more upper, and bigger BTU, lower. Yeah, just like that. It's easy to push the exhaust out. And another thing, like for example, if this running and just exhaust, maybe if the furnace not running, maybe it go out from here. Yeah, so that's a code require bigger BTU, yeah, lower position. This one improper length. So normally this look like the intake. Yeah, so like the intake. So normally the intake, so we can see from the menu. Either so the pipe go directly come out and straight, and or there's the elbow 90 degree or 45 degree, doesn't matter, but only an elbow there. We don't want any pipe on the elbow like this one. Yeah. So that's for the intake. The outlet. So you can do a little longer, but not go down. So for example, this is pretty close to the ground. You can elbow up and then elbow out. Yeah, just like that. So never go down. Okay, the pipe never go down. Yeah, so like this one is good. Yeah, so intake, there's the elbow, and the exhaust just go directly to the outside. So this one is a slope. You see, so like doesn't matter. So the the 636 PVC pipe or the C vent, B vent. So normally, so we just have a slope back to the gas appliance. Yeah. So because you know, if it's a high efficiency, we want the water run back to the furnace or the water heater, doesn't matter. But if it's a B vent, C vent, we want the exhaust go outside easier, right? If you go down like this, the exhaust will go down, up. It's a little hard. Yeah, so that means, so it doesn't matter what's material of the gas vent, we always keep the slope back down to the gas appliance. So this one is the same like the picture before. So it's different BTU, it's different position. So we cannot put the smaller BTU is upper than the big BTU vent. Yeah, so we should change. So this one upper, this one lower, and we need a drip here, a dirt drip here, dirt connector here. Yeah, so we cannot normally just run like this. Yeah, so for the vertical pipe, we should have a cap underneath.
Yeah, I think let's talk about the missing base T, Sam, because the water heater is actually above the furnace in this image, so that the manifolding is correct, but just a lack of base T.
Oh, so you mean here, right?
Correct. Yeah, that would be the furnace exhaust, and the natural drop water heater is above. Yeah, so the manifolding is okay, but just a lack of base T, like you were saying.
Yeah. So in fact, if you put a T here, so that we have a dirt collection here, you know. What? Yeah. So if like this is not good. Yeah. So we can put a T here, but put this one. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I said it wrong. Yeah. I said it wrong there. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is a big trouble. Is here. Yeah. So the water heater is small BTU is the upper. That's right. Yeah. I'm so sorry. So I make it wrong. Yeah. So this should need like a T or something like that. We need a dirt collection underneath. Yeah, so that should be these pictures tell us, right? Okay, I'm so sorry. I make mistake here.
No worries, Sam. It's all good.